Hey friends, I'm Scott, and I'm going to run GitHub Copilot CLI here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to, hey, are there any improvements that we can make to this code base? I'm not really familiar with TypeScript, and I want to make this better. Let's run some linters. I just did that with a tool called Handy at handy.computer. I dictated that because it's faster. So it's thinking about this TypeScript application. It's going to go and run. Okay, now it's going to run the lint command, and it pops up this approval because you don't necessarily want your coding agent to start doing stuff. So you have the option to basically say yes, no, or in this case, approve it for the rest of the running session, for path access, for tool calling, for MCPs, anything that it's about to do or touch, you have the ability to say no to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually stop this, and I'm going to run this in YOLO mode. I'm not just going to say allow tools. I'm going to say -- YOLO. You only live once. Now, you might want to run this in a Docker container. You might want to just pay attention. It's up to you. But at this point, I've told it, allow all tools, allow all paths, do your thing. Hey, can you go ahead and take a look at this application, and let's run a linter and make sure this is good TypeScript. So now I'll run this again, and I'm going to see it call the linter directly. And because I said -- YOLO and explicitly said that any tool was okay, it's going to go and run that linter without asking me. So I don't have to ask for permission. And this is when you can do those Ralph Wiggum's loops. You want to go and run that in YOLO mode again. Perhaps you run that in an environment that you trust. You run that inside of a Docker container. In this case here, I felt pretty confident that was going to be able to do those. So that's -- YOLO. I'm going to go ahead and hit Control C twice, and we'll take a look at some of the options that are available by hitting Copilot Help. And I want to point out that you've got allow all paths, allow tools or deny tools, allow URLs. So YOLO mode is allow all tools, allow all paths, allow all URLs. And that is shipped in Copilot CLI. Go ahead and check it out. You can go winget install Copilot. It's on Brew. It's in NPM, copilot.github.com. Thank you.